Hi there! Welcome to Nfinity, where you can easily create, manage, and sell your digital collectibles. In this video, we will be showing you how Nfinity can help you turn your social media posts into a valuable and unique NFT collection. The first step to converting your content into an NFT collection is to sign up for an account on Nfinity. Simply go to our website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your information and you're ready to go. Next, link your social media accounts to Nfinity. This will allow you to select any posts from your linked social media and turn them into NFTs. Once you've linked your social media accounts, you can select any posts from your linked social media and customize your NFT. You can edit text, images, and other elements to make your NFT truly unique. Once you're happy with your NFT, simply choose the network you want to deploy on and hit the Continue button. Your NFT is now stored and authenticated on the blockchain as an NFT. You can now share your unique digital creation with your followers or take it to the next level by selling it on popular NFT marketplaces like OpenSea. And that's it. Creating your NFTs on Nfinity is fast, easy, and free. With Nfinity, you can easily monetize your content and build a community around your work. So why wait? Sign up for Nfinity today and start creating your NFT collection.